I'm Sarah with Custom Pilates and Yoga, and today I'm going to teach you how to do leg slides. Now, leg slides are a very deceptively simple exercise. They're something that I use when I'm working with clients who are trying to stabilize their low back or get rid of back pain or get rid of hip pain. So they're gonna look really basic, really easy, but really these exercises pack so much more punch than people anticipate. So here's what you need to know. Let's go ahead, come onto your back. Heels are gonna be in line with your sits bones. Arms are right by your sides. Inhale here. Exhale, let everything settle toward your spine. Let your belly kind of turn to jelly. And for real, I want you to feel organs, muscles, everything in this space between your ribs and your hips melt down toward your spine. Then once you think you've got it as deep as you can go, you're gonna lightly activate some very deep abdominals that are just gonna work to try to hold everything together. And they're just gonna try to hold your organs at this deep level. Now, we're gonna slide the legs. Go ahead, flex your right foot so the toes lift up off the floor. Heel is going to slide on your mat the whole time. Inhale to slide the leg out. Exhale to come back up. Now, as you move, you want to feel muscular energy. You want to feel yourself reach all the way through the leg and come on up. What you don't want to feel is, I have straightened my leg. Now my muscles quit working. Now I try to find my muscles to correctly bring my leg back in. Because you know what, guys? That never works. I have never seen anybody come back from that. Keep your muscles working the whole time and you're going to do it correctly. Okay, so inhale to slide out, exhale to come in. You also want to be mindful of your pelvis. Make sure that as you're moving, that pelvis doesn't move at all. The last thing you want is to slide your right leg out and have your pelvis totally collapse and tip you so that this left hip comes up higher and the knee comes in. Instead, you want to stay nice and grounded as you move. So let's just do a couple more here. Inhale out, exhale up, inhale out, exhale up. Good, lower the right toes. We'll do the left side. Lift those left toes. Inhale, imagine that heel is sliding straight in line with your sits bones and coming back up. I like to sort of pretend that the two are connected by a rubber band. And so when I straighten my leg out, I'm going as far as that rubber band will let me. I'm feeling that tension and that stretch. And then it feels like there's something that helps to bring it back in. That thing helping is your hip flexor, but that's okay. You don't need to focus on that. Slide it out and then feel how easy it is to come in. And you feel that resistance and feel how easy it is. Good, let's do one more. And bring it on in. Okay, that's leg slides. Now, that is the basics of leg slides. That's doing one side at a time. If you feel like, oh, I've got leg slides, that's no big deal, you're gonna keep your pelvis in neutral. And you've noticed I've got my hands up here because I'm feeling my hips and my ribs. I don't necessarily trust my body that it's gonna give me the correct message. So my hands are gonna be out there just kind of being a referee. Now we're gonna switch sides. Right leg's gonna go first. Inhale to slide out. Exhale to come up. Now left side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Make sure, still keep these abs toward the spine. Remember, let them settle like jello. And then lightly find that deep abdominal to help keep everything contained. Last time this way. Okay, now we can do reciprocal movement, which is one leg slides out, and then as it comes in, the other side goes. This is even more challenging, okay? So let's go ahead, take a moment, find those abs, find everything settled, lightly engage, slide that right leg out, inhale, exhale, switch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And this is quite challenging, so if you start to feel it in your back, you're just gonna go ahead, come on up, and relax. Make sure you've got your neutral position. Make sure you're not causing strain. But if that one also still feels like a piece of cake, there's one more version of leg slides you can do. Make sure, neutral, we've got the abs going. You're gonna slide both legs at the same time. And I'm gonna bring my arms by my sides for this. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, and your mat might come with you. And lower the toes. So when you're practicing leg slides, you can do however many reps you'd like. I tend to like to do 10, and I might mix them up. So you always want to start off with the single leg slides, doing one side at a time, just to make sure your body is 100% where it's supposed to be. But then challenge yourself by adding in one of the more advanced versions to challenge your body once you have those single side leg slides in good form. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget, hit that little bell button and that'll give you notifications every time I put out a new video. And for more information on leg slides and other therapeutic Pilates exercises used to relieve pain, please visit my website, www.custompilatesandyoga.com. Thank you.